Earth, a home to every life forms we know. Nature, an incredible wonder that inspires us all. We depend on our Mother Nature for the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the shelter we seek. Mother Nature has always been there to fulfill our needs. But are we caring enough for her? Are we even making this small act of kindness a priority? We've always overexploited and taken her for granted. 2020 has been an awakening. Maybe our Mother Nature is trying to tell us something. Our Mother Nature is trying hard to reach out to us. Let's try to connect the dots and take care of her a little more. Show her much love and be kind to her children, the trees, the sky, the seas.